Hello everyone, welcome to my video on programming for beginners. And in the last lecture, I was explaining to you about bitwise operators, and we had discussed about bitwise AND operator and how does it works on the binary numbers, as well as we have executed the same with a C program and we saw how does it work. In today's session, let me explain to you bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator is a binary operator. When I said binary operator, it means that this particular operator called an bitwise OR operator, which is represented as this, which works on two operands. So if I have two operands A and B, I can perform bitwise OR operation upon these operands. And how does it work? It takes 2 bits at a time and performs the OR operation. So here let us take an example of 7 and 4. 7 in binary is represented as 0, 1, 1, 1 and 4 in binary is represented as 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So if you are not sure how do you represent 7 in binary in this way and 4 in binary as this, you can refer to my previous videos on binary decimal to binary conversion, which appears in the playlist called Digital Computer Fundamentals. Now I have to perform an OR operation between 2 bits at a time. For that, I take the least significant bits of this number and I perform an OR operation. Now, how do I perform an OR operation? I have the rules of OR operation here. 0 or 0 gives say 0, 0 or 1 gives a 1, 1 or 0 gives a 1 and 1 or 1 gives a 1. It means that if any of the bit in the 2 bits you are considering is a 1, your result is a 1. So 1 or 0 is a 1, 1 or 0 is a 1, 1 or 1 is a 1 and all these are 0 because 0 or 0 is a 0. Now when you are performing a bitwise OR operation between 7 and 4, you are getting the result as 7. So this is 7 in decimal form. So this is how you perform bitwise OR operation. We can try with another number. Let me perform a bitwise OR operation between 10 or 3. Alright. So 10 is represented as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 3 is represented as 1, 1. Let me perform an OR operation. 0 or 1 is a 1, 1 or 1 is a 1, 0 on 0 is a 0, 1 on 0 is a 0 and all these are 0. Alright. So this is nothing but an 11 in decimal form. So you are getting a when you are performing a bitwise OR between 7 and 4, you are getting a 7 and 10 and 3, you are getting a 11 as your result. Now let us check this same with a C compiler. We will use an online C compiler for this purpose and let us check whether you are getting the same result when you are performing a program. So here I have an online C compiler used and I had used 7 as well as 4 in my explanation, right? So let us execute this program and check what is the result you get. So you're getting bitwise OR of 7 and 4 is 7. This is the same result we got when we had manually checked. The second example we took was a 10 and a 3, right? So let me execute this. And bitwise OR operation on 10 and 3, manually when we computed, we got the result as 11. And when we have programmed using C, we again got a result as 11. So here I'm just using the operator, which is a pipeline operator, to represent or to calculate the bitwise OR operation between the two numbers given. Background, what does it do? It converts each number, each decimal number to its binary form and it performs the bitwise OR operation between the two bits of the number. Alright, so this is how bitwise OR operation works and that's all for this session. I'll come up with the next video on bit shift bitwise shift operators. And thank you for listening. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.